Nice swings again on US30 and US100 as expected, both closed in bullish mode, but right now trading is still with a flat or bearish bias. What is going to happen today, which entries we should take on both Dow Jones and Nasdaq, we'll try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next analysis on Dow Jones and Nasdaq will be up just before the US cash session, an hour or so before. So do watch that also. That will definitely help you in your day trading decisions. So let's start the day with Nasdaq 100 first, followed with US30. We'll now look at the hourly charts for US100. You will find that it is trying to give you higher lows here, lower highs there, consolidating still very much. So let me show you, let me zoom out a bit here. You can see higher lows, higher highs, still very much trading in this bullish channel. There is a breakout where it is seen 12,050, 12,040 levels. So yes, any long entry today again is about 12,000 levels. Only if you see it about 12,000, go long for 12,080 levels, and then we'll see if it breaks that, it can try to rise strongly towards upside. Also on the downside, once it breaks past 11,850 zone, which is going to be a very strong support, if it breaks this zone, see we have seen it giving support multiple times for now. Here it is 11,840, 850 zone. If it breaks this, there is going to be a certain fall on the downside. Now look at the directional movement is still bullish. It is trying to converge and crossover. The RS stochastic is trading flat here. Look at the MACD. MACD is trying to converge and crossover for a sell-off. I'll be cautious there. And RSI trading flat, not indicating indicative of anything. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, this is giving higher lows here. This is also giving higher highs. Now look at this flat top there on the 2-hour charts. Multiple candles despite a breakout is still getting the flat top there. So I'll be watchful of 12,000 levels today. Only breakout beyond 12,000, one can go long for 12,080, 12,100 levels, and if it breaks that, sky is the limit on the upside. Similarly, below 11,850, one can expect 11,800 to provide a support, and below that there is going to be sharper fall. So we have got couple of levels 11,850 and 12,000. These 150 points we have to stay away from US100. Directional movement is still bullish but sloping down. The stochastic is near to overbought, sloping down here. The MACD is trying to converge here and it is right now bullish. The RSI is also looking downwards from here. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, it is observant that we have to see the previous two candles and also few multiple. Now it is still trying to trade in this channel there, and 11,950 and 11,880 levels. So yes, I think once it drops below 11,880, one can go short for 11,850, 840, and then below that we can expect a sharper fall for 11,800 and below levels. On the upside, breaking past this zone at 11,950, there you can go long. Below beyond 11,950, rather I'll ask you to keep a little more cushion till towards 11,980. Beyond 11,980 you can go long, and then you can expect that it is going to head towards 12,040 and 12,100 levels. So take your positions accordingly, but let's have a more analysis or more detailed look into other time frames as well. Directional movement is still bearish. The stochastic is near to top, crossing for a sell there. The MACD is trading in green and it is divergent, and RSI trading flat, nor indicative of anything. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, the tail wick is done. Also higher lows are done. It is trying to consolidate in this zone. So again, 11,880 to 11,980 do not trade. Rather I'll say 11,870 to 11,980 do not trade. Below 11,870, yes, you can go short for 11,850, 11,800 levels, stronger support, and below that it may try to drop sharply. So we have reduced our range 11,870 to 11,980 do not trade. That is what is appearing here. And look at the directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is trading again at overbought levels here. Hence, couple of red candles can appear. The MACD is wide divergent bullish, and the RSI trading flat with a little upward or bullish bias. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, see how beautifully for the whole week it is trying to consolidate. It is looking forward to a breakout here. Now what should be considered a breakout today? Any move beyond 12,000 level should be considered a good level to go long, but the real move is only about 12,050, beyond which one can expect that it is going to hit till towards, rather I said 12,100, beyond that one can expect it is going to hit till towards 12,250 levels, the 20 period moving average, which will provide a definite resistance on the upside. Now look at this, the previous few candles, see, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So it has to come out of this channel on the downside, that is below 11,800. There you can expect that once it draws below 11,800, it is taking a definite direction, and then 11,600, 400 levels by tomorrow can be expected. Directional movement is bearish here, it is still divergent. Look at the stochastic, this is near to top, they are trying to look upwards. The MACD is crossed over and it is trading in green, it is trading with a bullish bias, it is divergent, and RSI near to bottom. So yes, in sum it appears that between 11,880 and I will say 11, rather the next support levels are so near that I am failing to give it to you, and that is why let us keep a wider range. 11,850 to 12,000, these levels should not trade, you should not take a position in between these 150 points. See, nothing is a wide or a narrow range here on these volatile times. The VIX is running high, and hence 150 points hardly matters, it can swing any point of time. So yes, do not trade between 11,850 and 12,000 levels, skip these to 150 points. Above 12,000, the first target 12,050, next at 12,100. If 12,100 is taken today, it will hit 12,240 levels. Beyond 12,240, there is still a probability for it to head till towards 12,350, 400 zone. On the downside, if it breaks 11,850, it will try to drop till towards 11,800, which is a very strong support. Below 11,800, it will directly land to 11,700 first support, 11,620 next support, and then 11,500 the final support. So this is how it is going to trade. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. See, US30 on the hourly charts, 32,100 is the support here, breaking 32,100, go short for 32,000, breaking 32,000, then 31,900, and then below that sky is the limit, it can drop sharply on the upside. It may try to trade within this zone largely, that is 32,050 to 32,250, a larger trading zone of 200 points, a larger trading consolidation window of 200 points. Now look at this, how it is traded on the hourly charts. It is still trading in this channel here, failing to go past this channel. Now the bottom at around 31,900, the high at around 31,300. This is the larger channel there. Directional movement is still bullish. The stochastic is trading in the moderate zone, looking forward to a bullish crossover. The MACD is trying to converge, and that is indicating the bullishness is diminishing here. The RSI is trading flat here. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, couple of observations to make. Flat top, higher lows. So yes, below 32,100 one can go short, then 32,000, 31,900, these two levels I will be watchful of, and then 31,800. Definite support in between 31,800 and 31,900 levels are there, very strong support levels are there. Look at the directional movement trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought again. MACD is trying to converge, it is running parallel, it is running bullish here. And if you look at the directional movement, or RSI is looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. Coming back to the 3-hour charts. Now look at the 3-hour charts, till now it is sustained this higher lows, and it is also giving you higher highs. The highs there at 32,300 are going to be there. At the same time, once it breaks past 32,100, one can go short, and one can again expect it to come back to this zone 31,900 to 800. This is very strong support zone in between 31,900 to 800 levels today. If it breaks past this will lead to a stronger fall. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is near to top, and it is bullish there, and the MACD is also trading in green but trading flat, and RSI is also trading flat. So most of the indicators are trading flat with hardly any bias, but near to overbought levels. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, you will find that there is a definite resistance here at 32,300, 32,250 levels. Lower highs are getting created, higher lows are getting created. I will be cautious. Any drop below 32,100 will be a very good level to go short for 32,000, 31,900 and 31,800. These levels should provide a very strong support for US30 today. If 31,800 is taken, definitely it will lead to a sharper fall, which will try to take it towards 31,400, 31,300 levels. Directional movement is bearish here and trading with a narrow divergence. Stochastic is overbought here, trading on the overbought level since long. MACD is trading flat here. Probably convergence is required and hence a red candle can be expected. RSI is trading flat, nor indicative of anything. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see the candle size here. Body size is diminishing, indicating the highs are done. Probably we may see a sharper red candle. So do not forget to go short below 32,100. Below 32,100, and specifically I will be looking forward to 31,800 zone. So if it breaks 31,800, see it is trying to come out of this probably, and below 32,100 definitely we can see a good drop there. So 31,800 I will be watchful of it. That is taken, then one can expect 31,350 levels again. There could be a sharper fall today. I will be expecting if it continues to drop. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is overbought here, and the MACD has crossed over. It is wide divergent and it is still bullish here. RSI is trading flat there. Considering this, only long entry today is about 32,250 levels. Beyond 32,250 you can go long, and below 32,100 you can go short. See, 32,300 is still going to provide a little resistance there for any upside move. If 32,300 is taken, then it will definitely try to hit 32,500, 600 zone. Very strong resistance. And below 32,100 there is going to be a sharper fall today. Mark my words, I will be looking forward to a drop from today. First target is going to be the 31,900, 31,800 zone, which is going to provide very strong support, and below that we may see a sharper fall. So below 32,100, first target 32,000, then 31,900, 31,800. If that is taken, it will give you a sharper drop, taking it towards 31,620, 31,500 and then 31,350, 300 levels. So trade accordingly, and on the upside, breaking past 32,250, it will try to head and get some resistance at 32,300, first resistance. Beyond that, it will try to fly till towards 32,500 and 600 zone, which is going to be important resistance zone. So take your positions accordingly, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Do not forget to shift your stop loss to cost once you see your trade is in profit. And yes, you can join my mentorship batch. The 11th batch is starting on 6th of June. 15 days, 90 minutes daily live sessions, and with lifetime support for your queries. This is what you get from our courses. So reach out to me for more details. You can be part of my VIP signals group as well. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.